This is a Sandpiper 384QBOK. You got residential fridge in this particular model, Furrion oven and stove.
Got drawers you can pull out.
The top pantry is not worth much.
No, not really.
Without a step ladder.
It's something up there you wouldn't use much.
Cupboards above the love seats. Couch. The TV is clear on the other end of the room from the love seats and the couch. Got a leaf on the island.
Oh, these are bunks back here. Yeah.
So this is a bunkhouse area.
Yeah.
Oh, with its own door to a bathroom.
Yeah, and then
for the kids.
That would be good if you had a bunch of little ones.
Yep.
Shower's not bad.
No. Plastic.
It's fiberglass. It's two pieces because, you know, down to here.
Nice sink thing.
Yeah, that's a deep sink. You could wash, you know, like if you had delicates you wanted to wash.
Yeah.
You could wash them in there.
All right, bedroom. They got the air on. Oh. Got little shelves built in the wall, plus a little shelf
still not big enough, I don't think.
on the side. That air feels good.
I don't know.
Long enough, kinda.
Yeah.
But your cord's got to go in somewhere, and the hose got to
Be
come
right
out.
down there. It might work. There's a plug right there, and the hose comes off the top.
What about across there? In
There? No, I wouldn't do it there.
Yeah, it'd be too easy to jerk off
Yeah.
the shelf. And then here's another one. It's got that king thing
Wow,
in
this is
it
a deep drawer.
for your Wi-Fi.
You could get lots of socks in there.
No TV in here, but we don't do TV in the bedroom.
No.
So
That would be
it's a
something
small
cool.
dresser.
If you got it like this, I would make that
shadow
like a
box.
shelving
It's a
unit.
shadow box.